Today, Shilala, the most beautiful place, really super nice, super hidden, but with really amazing views. Show you, look, there is Wadi Rum Village, and here we are walking to the spring, Shilala, which is there behind the mountain. And here, look at the rock formation. It's really, really amazing and beautiful. All different colors, formations. It's just amazing and peaceful. And water, there is like the trees behind there. There is also a little spring. When I show you also the Nabatean inscriptions dated before Christ, which are amazing. Let's see if I find them. Because I just walked past it, walking a bit backwards to show you around. Really amazing, and it's really easy, the walk. So definitely worth doing. And on the very top, you can shower. I'll show you later. And the natural shower in the mountains hidden. The Nabateans. Okay, I will show you on the way back, because now I would have to go all the way down. But look at this, how beautiful it is. And here's the water, and oh yeah, I show you all the wild mint. Look, all this is mint, wild, and it smells. You smell it? I hope you do. It's really amazing, beautiful, and peaceful, as I said. Okay, here we go. And when I'm on top, I will show you where the water comes out with the natural shower.